let's check out this handheld vacuum with a brushless motor by Gentant, and that's Gentant. We'll just start right off with, so you can hear it. Here's the on button right there. You need to press it for 3 seconds, so it's a long press. So of course, it's going to suction right there. The air comes out there. You have different speeds, 3 different speeds. It comes with a filter that's already in it. And then you get 2 more filters. And you get your hose here that attaches, let's see here, right there, the long hold. You get different attachments. You get that attachment, this attachment, several different attachments, some with brushes. You get a little pouch for carrying it in, a drawstring type pouch in gray. And you also get a USB-C cord for charging. And there is the USB-C in place right there. And this was given as a sample for review.